I can't believe I went around and I bought this thing. This thing is $597.31 with tax. If you're a Prime member, you get it the next day. Jesus, this is freaking expensive. Oh, might as well say expensive, like Kathleen says. I swear, Kathleen has become like one of my favorite YouTubers. I feel like she's so cool and she's so funny. We're like besties. She doesn't know it, but we are. So I decided to make a video unwrapping this little bad boy because, and I will also make a video trying it out because I was like, I cannot, it does not, that price tag just does not fit in my head. There's just so many good hairstyling tools out there, and the price tag of this, I'm like, this thing better like just, I don't know, maybe work with Alexa. Alexa, make the AIRWRAP do my hair in 3 minutes. See, Alexa didn't even get that. Anyways, I just wanted to do a video unwrapping it because I feel like it's just gonna be so nice and so luxurious, and I love seeing unwrapping video thingies. So the first thing that I noticed, which was so funny, is that it just came like this. Like, this is the label that it came with. Like, they just handed to my mom, here you go, ma'am. And I was like that, like that. Like, I was expecting more. I was expecting like at least 5 boxes protecting this little thing, but nope, it just came like that. So we're gonna open it and we're gonna see. I already put makeup on it right there, and I know I'm looking a little blue. Even my scissors are blue today. I started with my eyeshadow and then I put on this shirt, and then I was like having like a really bad hair day, and I was like, well, I might as well just wear the hat. And then all of a sudden I'm looking like I'm going to a Dodgers game. Ain't nothing wrong with that, right? Okay, so let's open this. This thing. You know, deep down inside I'm praying. I don't like it because that's expensive. Okay, so I don't want to break the box. Okay, so this is freaking nice. The packaging on it is so cool. I love this, like, all leather. It smells like leather. All leather kind of box. And I'm gonna let you be the first to look at it. Okay, that was a fail. So it comes with an extra one of these, which is probably, oh, this is probably like a heat. Would it be like a heat thingy? I don't know if leather works with this. I don't know, we'll figure it out later. But here it is. Oh my god, this is so fancy. Okay, let's take it out. So cute. I love it. So it comes with the hair dryer. I'm gonna read the things here. Next, it comes with, you know, like the actual apparatus, and then it comes with 2 barrels. So one is for voluminous curls and waves, the other one is for loose curls or waves. That would probably be my area. And this is a smoother, straighter style, so you can actually dry your hair with this. Can you dry your hair from like wet? Probably. And smooth, straighter style. So smooth but not so smooth, and then adds volume. Girl, I don't need volume. So let's open it. This freaking case is so nice. This is so cute. So what you get is you get the actual apparatus. This is the magic wand, and this is what it looks like. It is absolutely not heavy at all. And let me see, I have the Dyson vacuum and I love it. It's like my favorite thing in the world. I have like the little compact one. I don't know the name of it, but I really love Dyson technology. They say it's like no other. So it's like this hair dryer. I have to try it. So this is the, it's all full of lint. I guess is from the box. I want to see the charger so bad. I don't know why I want to see the charger so bad. Oh, it's cool. Kind of looks like the vacuum one. So this is the charger right here, and then it has something really powerful right here. And the tool is actually not heavy at all, and it kind of feels like, you know, the aluminum in the vacuum, it kind of feels like that. So that's really cool. So you get your, I guess, your intensity right here, you get your temperature right here, and then just your on and off button. And I chose the pink one because hello. And then there's a lock and unlock here. This is fancy, fancy, fancy. So this is like your blow dryer, because this is just gonna, this is the one that adds volume. So we're just gonna put it in here and see. And you lock it. No, that's unlock. Okay, and you lock it, and then you, this is huge. Wow. She's not. Then you just kind of go like that. I really like how this feels. Oh my god, I don't want to like it. I don't. So that is that, and then you get your, this is like a hot brush, which I tried. I bought a hot brush from Sally's, and it was like a little cheap one. It was like $7, and I tried it, and I was like, this is not for me. I did not have the patience to be doing this 20 million times, and I just didn't like it. But this was almost $600, so I'm sure it'll be different. Okay, so this is another, this one. This is huge. Like, without this, I was like, okay, that's a good size. Now, this is really big. There we go. And then the next one that I brought is this one. So this is the one for smooth, and this is the one for smoother. So this one has like the, you know, the silicone-y rubbery tip, and that one doesn't. So they obviously all fit in there. And then these are the barrels. So it came with 4 barrels. Well, these two are the same exact size, so I don't know why it would come with 2. Oh, the air goes in different directions. So do you have to swap them? Maybe if you're doing your waves like out this way, and then your waves out this, you know, like this. So you probably just have to like swap them. Interesting. And then you get 2 smaller ones, which these are going to be for tighter curls or people with shorter hair or things like that. And then you get this apparatus right here, which I have no idea what this is. So give me just 1 second. This is going to be like a pre-styling air dryer, because you know your hair shouldn't be like super extremely wet when you're drying it with these apparatus. So you kind of like air dry it, and then you go on with your tools. So that is it, my friend. This is so, like, I'm seriously impressed with like the packaging of it. It's so super nice. I feel like the packaging alone is like $100 right here. Just this super luxurious leather box. And well, you know what, let's just try just a little bit. I'm gonna try what do you want to try? Well, my hair is like kind of curly-ish. So we're gonna try this. Let's just try this. Lock it. I'm so nervous about this one because I don't know. Okay, your hair. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's do it on low. Okay. Your hair should, it's supposed to like wrap around it. Is it supposed to go like that? And then it's supposed to like go like that. And then repeat. Should I let go? I don't know. Let's see. Holy! That is awesome. And that was on low. Oh my god. Ay, Diosito, que algo pase porque no quiero como de esta vaina no me cara. Ok, vamos, otra vez. Do it again. I guess I have to get, why doesn't I want to take this one? Oh, it's okay. And then you just curl. Freaking Dyson! How dare you? Okay. Ooh, that got in my ear. Look at that. Look at that. Ah! That is so cute. Alright, so I think I am going to hop in the shower and probably dry my hair with this. And yeah, the tip is cold. This is quite hot, so don't touch it. And I'm just gonna unlock it and remove it. And that's it. And that's it. I love it already. So that's it. I don't know what else to say. Thank you so much for watching the video. And if you have it, let me know what you think of it, because I am like so nervous. I honestly bought it with all the intention of not liking it and trying to find any defect with it so I can just go ahead and take it back. But so far I'm impressed. Alrighty, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.